is pretty hot.
It's hot.
Dang, is that a Terpskis?
Just look. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Audi video. So for this video we actually got real bad news. We got our car back from the electrical guy. He was working on it. He had our car for about a week. That's why we couldn't do any videos. So let's just walk to a computer and I want to show you guys what we have going on, what the problem is. So something was clogging, so the car was misfiring. So we gotta pretty much change the piston coolant nozzle, the control valve. And this thing is located pretty much almost under the engine, right?
Yeah,
almost in the middle of it. So we got a lot to remove. First thing, we got to move the inner cover, obviously, and over here it just shows the cover. So this right here is actually where the sensor is located that we need to change, but it's underneath pretty much everything. So the charge air cooler housing, we need to pretty much remove that.
Yeah.
And it just shows right here on the blueprints everything we need to remove on the car. So before removing all this, you pretty much go on front cooling pipe, all this, the throttle valve, control module. You pretty much click on that and then it shows you all this stuff that you gotta remove. So we pretty much gotta, let's just take a walk back to the car. We gotta remove. The worst thing about it is we actually put coolant inside the car, but now we gotta take the coolant back out. We're gonna save because we're gonna reuse it because this is already our third time.
Yeah.
We're gonna be buying new coolant because we did blow our radiator. And we gotta remove the radiators again, the radiator support. We gotta
everything,
remove
all the electronic work, turbos, everything, dude.
We gotta pull out the turbos. Pretty much, we gotta get somewhere right underneath there. It's located somewhere right there, but it's underneath all this stuff. So we're gonna have a really long night.
Yes, we are.
We're starting at like 9 a.m.
Yeah,
9 p.m.
legit 9, right on the dot.
9 p.m. We're starting at 9 p.m. and we're probably gonna be here till like 2 a.m. And we're probably not gonna finish. So yeah, let's just get straight to work and let's see how far we get to this today.
Yeah.
And it'd be good if we finish today. We don't know what we're gonna run into because obviously we haven't done this before. So once we start removing everything, we're gonna see where we're at and we're gonna have a better. Basically, this, yeah. We'll know. All right, let's get to it.
Anyways, let's get to work.
Okay, so we kind of looked into it, and what we're gonna try to do first is actually try to remove the turbos, intake, and try to actually get to it like that. And if we can't, then worst case, we're gonna have to remove the whole front end. On the computer, it basically tells us to remove all this stuff, but you don't always go by the computer, you know?
We don't always go by
Let's take some shortcuts. While we're working, guys, if you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button.
Here, let me try. Sit behind the camera.
Damn.
Yeah. Oh guys, Tim is back.
You know what? I quit.
This is broken and we reused it. Insurance check marked it. It's change.
So who's doing what?
Catching the bolts.
Oh, okay.
Pretty hot.
It's hot.
Dang, is that a Terpskis?
Just look from that side. Is it okay if we lay it on the fin?
Yeah.
Easy. Just lay it on the fin, right?
Yeah. Fin first.
Fin first?
Yeah. turbo number 2.
Alright guys, so we did remove the turbos. We actually kind of noticed it still has a little bit of old, kind of milky oil inside there. We removed that. We're gonna have some good new oil running through them. So we're trying to get to that sensor right there. You see it has like a little green sort of mark on it. So it's basically located right there. So we need to somehow remove this, but we don't see any bolts so far. So we're gonna check on a diagram where the bolts and or screws or whatever is located, whatever's holding it down. And we're gonna pop that out, and it's gonna be easier to get to the sensor that way. So good thing we don't have to remove all this stuff, but you know,
we'll see.
We'll see.
Yeah.
You know, stuff always happens. Stuff comes up, which you can't get to one bolt, and you have to remove starting from the trunk.
Legit.
Yeah. All right.
There you go.
Yes.
Sure would have been smoking for a minute.
All right. Look at all that coolant inside there.
Dang, you could
There's a swimming pool in there.
legit.
Some fish over there.
Aquarium. There's a sensor.
Here, let me put this back.
Wire is sliced. Hello, let me focus in. Damn, yep. That wire's completely cut in half.
In half, huh?
In half, dude. Legit. It's not even like pinched. It's
So
in half.
I'll reveal. Look at the colors. Look at the color of this wire. Look at the color of that wire.
It's right on, dude.
So I'm relieved that that's the problem, but we still had to pull everything apart. But at least we don't have to buy parts anymore. So the problem
we can
just became cheap, but just
And easier,
time.
a little.
Just
I
time.
guess.
Easier.
Hey, I charge $40 an hour. He said cheap.
But it didn't even hit an hour yet. We started at 9. What time is it?
called the mechanic
That's
from Brooklyn.
10:13.
All right, $40 then.
Wait, so who works for who? Do you work for him or you work for him?
It depends.
Yo, I don't know how it was
Depends on the
changed.
Oh, you
day.
guys just switch off?
Yeah. You don't know.
What do we have here?
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Audi Engineering.
Dang. Okay.
Alright guys, since we are so deep inside the engine for a little problem, we might as well check this. It's like a netting inside basically, see if it's clogged up or anything. Because it's a big issue with these cars. It's like a big problem with them. A lot of them basically have that if you don't use the right oil, I guess.
Looks good to me.
Alright guys, so I'm really happy that we actually found the problem, but since we were pulling everything apart, we just decided to change this gasket right here and the little netting. It wasn't clogged up or anything, but you could already see some sort of something in there.
Like small particles, whatever.
You know, we just changed it, whatever, just because we were there anyways. I'm pretty sure the thing's gonna be cheap. But that is going to be it for today's video, because we do not know. We're gonna go to the dealership tomorrow, about the whole quarantine going on, all the businesses are closed. We don't know when we're gonna actually get the parts and all this stuff, and we do not want to wait another week because we're already pulling off videos, you know. Anyways, so we're gonna end it right here, and we're gonna catch you guys next video when we get the parts. Oh, and by the way, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our videos.